Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akamai and welcome to Akamai Chats. We are going to be talking about goals and strategies for next year. Right now it's 2024. Today is New Year's Eve, and I don't want to mention the year too much because this can really it's an evergreen content and you can do this every year. But we're going to be talking about goals and strategies for your business for the upcoming year and why it's important to do it. So I'm going to be talking about some strategies, goal setting ideas for you, and some strategies so that you can hit your goals at the end of the year, at the end of next year. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I've got some really, really good nuggets all the way through to the end. Okay. So anyway, let's just get started. First of all, goals and strategies. We want to have goals. Where do you want to be at the end of the year? If you don't really put some thought into it and plan out what you want to do this year and what you want to accomplish, you're just going to be floating along and really not getting anywhere. You're going to end up with the same thing at the end of the year that you got this year. So this is what happened to me. Every year, I always plan out my year and what I want to accomplish. I set my intention for what it is that I want, why I want to have that thing, and why I want to achieve that in my business. And I almost always, in fact, out of 6 years, I've done it every single year that I've done my planning. And I got this from one of my former jobs. I worked in radio for a long time, and we always did this thing called key account strategies. I hated it. It was like drudgery, but it was a good exercise because we picked out the clients that we wanted to grow, the accounts that we wanted to grow, and we put together some strategies like ideas, and we would pitch ideas, and we would come up with different ways that we can maybe partner them up with a nonprofit or whatever the case may be. That's not what this video is about. It's just an example of what you do in your business. Every business is different and everybody's going to have different goals. So we are going to talk about today some strategies so that you can reach your goals at the end of the year. Okay, so you first start with thinking about get some paper. And I like to do my thing on paper and then maybe transfer it to digital later because I like staying organized. And when your business is organized, it's easier for you to accomplish everything you want to accomplish because you can't be haphazard and disorganized because disorganization is chaos. And if you have chaos in your business, there's no way that you can grow. So first thing you're going to do is think about where you are today. Reflect on your year, what you did this past year. Were you happy with it? Could you have done better? What could you have done better? So let's just analyze your past year and write it all down. And even if you do it like in a journal kind of format, because you can format it later, but think about what you did this year, what you accomplished. And even if you did reach your goals, write down what you did and how you did it so that you can take that as a learning lesson for next year. When you look at this year and you're like, I'm not happy about what I accomplished this past year. And for me in my business, I did not plan. I didn't take the time to do this exercise at the beginning of 2024. And what I ended up with at the end of 2024 was I'm in the same boat. My business didn't grow at all. It grew and shrunk and it grew and shrunk. But at the end of the day, I'm exactly where I was at the beginning of the year. And I don't like that because, of course, always want to grow your business. You want to grow your income. You want to grow your influence. You want to, be bigger and better always. So take a look at that, write that all down. And then the next exercise, you take another sheet of paper or a series of sheets of paper, however you want to do this. And you write down where you want to be at the end of next year, right? Because today is December 31st, and it's a great time to be doing this. You got some time off. Things are a little slow during the holidays, especially for marketing. Things are a little slow during the holidays. So it's a really good time to reflect and plan for your future. So think about where you want to be. What is your intention? Why do you want to accomplish these things? And whether it's for money, whether it's for, growing your clientele, growing your business, helping more people, what is your intention? because when things get tough, you're going to look back on your intention and the reason why you wanted to grow your business and help more people and do more things and, all the things. Your intention is the thing that's going to keep you grounded, because when things get really tough and you're struggling and you're not finding the amount of time that you need to do all of your things, just go back to your intention and that will help keep you on track. Okay, so I'm just going to share with what I did for my business. I'm basically growing two businesses. I have my agency, which is my bread and butter. It's the things that I do every single day. And then I'm also building my digital footprint, because eventually I want to retire and transition to my retirement business. And I don't think I'm not going to get out of client services anytime soon, because I really do love and enjoy helping my local clients. So I'm sure I will always have some local clients to deal with, but I really want to grow my digital footprint. And what that means for me is, from my agency side, it's like I make a list of what kinds of clients, like what industries I want to go after, what is trending for these industries, what is trending for a solution for them, whether it's a local business or an online business. For me, I deal with only local businesses. I don't do too much online. And by what I mean by local is that I can help people in all the different states, but they're all local businesses. They're brick and mortar or service-based business. So, and then on my digital side, I have my YouTube channel and all the things connected to my YouTube channel, because, like maybe for the older people who are watching this, when you build a YouTube channel, you cannot just build a YouTube channel with the intention of getting YouTube ad revenue, because it is a fraction, just like I don't know if you remember how much it is. It's like 4 cents. It's very small. Okay, so you cannot depend on that. And your subscribers, your watch hours can grow and it can shrink too. It's like like a monster that you got to keep feeding, like basically. So for my YouTube channel, I have a lot of monetized things attached to it. So I'm going to do digital downloads and I'm going to do some courses. I do enjoy teaching people, and I like motivating people. I'm making them feel good about themselves and feel energized to, do something different for their business, or maybe do something different in their personal life. I really enjoy that coaching aspect of what I do. So there's that. And then you could have an affiliate marketing program attached to your YouTube channel. And you can also, I don't know about being like having a sponsor or something. You could do that. And invite people to when you do your digital downloads, you can invite people to your newsletter. So there's a lot of things attached to your YouTube channel for opportunities to monetize your channel. So there's all of that. And I'll do a separate video maybe on that. And then, so that's how I'm intending on growing my digital footprint. My YouTube channel is going to be is the home base, is the primary marketing channel for all of my digital sales. So that's really what that is. And then once I planned out where I want to be for my agency business and where I want to be for my YouTube business, for my YouTube channel, I would really love to be a goal. My first goal is to be monetized by YouTube. And what that means is I have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you take a look at it and it's all like math, right? The more subscribers you have and the more hours that they watch, the higher the propensity for them to actually do something and purchase something from you. So that's just basically, what the intention is there, is to grow my YouTube channel so that I can eventually just do everything online. And then I recommend that you do a vision board. I'm going to show you my vision board. Ugh, it's kind of big. Oh, can it not? It's not zooming. I mean, it's not focusing. There. Okay, whatever. It's not focusing. But you get the idea. So I got a piece of foam core from like the dollar store, and I printed up pictures of all the things that I want to come into my existence, to, you know, what I want to manifest and what I want to accomplish this year. Because a vision board is a visual, it's a physical manifestation of the things that you want. I want to have more family time. I want to grow my YouTube business, my agency business, and then also, like, you know, all the other personal things that I want to accomplish. I cut it all out, put it on the foam core, and have that in your office and wherever it is that you work, so you can always have a visual reminder of the things that you want. So you plan everything out, you put it on paper, you know, then you do your vision board. Make sure you keep all of your goals and your vision organized, because if you are organized, you can work faster and more efficient. But if you're a chaos in your business, then it's really hard to grow. So anyway, so I have my vision board, and I look at it every day. It's right here, right, like next to my computer screens, and I look at it every day because I want to be reminded about all the things that I want for my future. And I'm not just talking about this year, you know, because some things, it takes time to grow. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes work to grow your business and get to your goals. So make sure you write down your strategy, because like I always say, your strategy and your business plan for the year is like your roadmap. It's like your GPS for your destination. Stay organized, and do it with intention, because intention is everything. It keeps you grounded. And then also keep in mind, what will happen if I don't do anything? What will happen if everything stays the same? So if you are happy with where you are at, then keep doing what you're doing. If you're not happy with where you're at, then make some changes in your business and start planning for next year. So that's all I had for today. I just wanted to mention that I have a video series that I'm coming up with from concept all the way to execution, how to build a business. So I'm going to have videos for each one, and I'll have some tools that you can download, some free tools that you can download. So I'll be looking forward to that. Well, thanks again for watching all the way to the end. My name is Akamai, and this is Akamai Chats. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications when we do upload our new video series. Okay, thanks, guys. See ya. So there I am in the middle. I'm the only one that's focused in the middle. How funny is that? Why isn't it? Oh, mercy sakes. Oops. Turn off the record.